Hello everyone, welcome back to the new lecture. So in this lecture we'll learn fire blankets. After the end of this lecture you would be able to understand what is fire blanket, on what fire can we use fire blanket and how to use fire blanket. Then we'll show you the placing of fire blanket. Okay, so let's start. So first of all, here we'll discuss what is a fire blanket, what do you understand and what is the main purpose of fire blanket. See, a fire blanket is a safety device designed to extinguish incipient fire. Okay, fire blanket is a safety device designed to extinguish a small fire or provide protection in emergency situation. Okay, it consists of a sheet of a fire retardant material that is placed over a fire in order to smoother it. Okay, so it is made from fire resistance material and is used to smoother flame by cutting off the oxygen supply. Okay, simple. So the fire blanket are typically made from materials such as fiberglass or other fire resistant fibers. Okay, so these materials are designed to withstand high temperature and prevent the spread of flame. Some fire blankets are coated with fire retardant chemical to enhance their effectiveness. So normally if you see the fire blankets come in various sizes, okay, with common dimension ranging from 1.2 into 1.2 meter, means 4 by 4 feet, or 1.8 to 1.8 meter, okay, means 6 feet by 6 feet. Okay, the dimension ranging from 1 by 1.2 to 1.2 meter or 1.8 to 1.8 meter. Okay, so it is made up of two layer of intricately woven glass fiber fabric and an inner layer that is made up of fire retardant film. Okay, so now what fire can you use a fire blanket on? See, fire blankets are only suitable when the fire is a small or class F fire. Class F fire, all of you know. Class F fire are fueled by cooking oils and fat. Na? Simple, in kitchen setting if there is a fire, so in that you can use it. So they are particularly useful for smoothing fat pan fires. Okay. Is it clear where we need to use fire blanket? First thing, in cooking fire. Fire blankets are particularly effective for extinguishing small kitchen fires such as those caused by cooking oils or fat. Okay, and even you can use it, they can also be used to wrap around a person whose clothing is on fire, providing protection and allowing them to roll on the ground to extinguish the flame. Simple. Is it clear? So both point is given here where we have to use. Now how to use a fire blanket? This is important. How we can use? See, fire involving combustible cooking media. First thing what you have to do, just the first step to use the fire blanket, first you need to turn off the heat source if it is safe to do so. Okay. Never move a container with burning liquids. Now you need to pull the tab to release the fire blanket from its box. Okay, so what you have to do, just pull the fire blanket from its container or bag, hold it by tabs or handle provided. Okay, like this. After that you need to hold the blanket in a shield position and if possible wrap the blanket around your hand for protection. Okay, what you have to do, carefully you need to place the blanket over the fire. Ensure it fully cover the flame. Okay, see, place the blanket gently over the pan or container to smoother the fire. So make sure you need to place the blanket over the fire, ensuring it fully cover the flame. Do not attempt to throw the blanket over the fire from a distance. Okay, and keep your hand and face away from the flame while positioning the blanket. This thing you have to remember. and leave the pan to cool completely. Do not attempt to uncover until it is completely cooled. Okay. So leave the blanket in place until the fire is completely extinguished, and do not remove it too soon as the fire may reignite. Okay. Then if the oil pan fire is too big, for example, to tackle so what you have to do, evacuate the building immediately, okay, and call the emergency services. No need to tackle that type of fire. Is it clear? And one more thing you have to remember, after use, the fire blanket may be damaged or contaminated. So dispose of it properly and replace it with a new one. It is important, okay? Now see the personal clothing. So for personal clothing fire, simply you need to pull the tab to release the blanket from its box, first thing. Then hold the blanket in a shield position, and if possible wrap the blanket around your hand for protection. And then wrap the fire blanket around the person who is on fire to smoother the flame. Simple. In this way you can use. Now see the placing of fire blanket. Okay, so placing a fire blanket properly is crucial for its effective use in emergency situation. Okay, so it is most sensible to keep them in the kitchen to ensure that the user can easily gain access to it. Okay, so place a fire blanket in the kitchen, as this is a common area where grease fire can occur. So it should be easily accessible near the cooking area but away from the stove to avoid contamination. Okay, so what you have to do, position a fire blanket near any heating element or appliances that pose a fire risk. Simple, like this. In this image you can see near the stove we have placed. Do not pull the fire blanket too close to the cover because you may not reach it in the event of a fire. Okay, make sure to maintain the proper distance. Then always place the fire blanket near an escape route. In public spaces like reception area, ensure the fire blanket is easily visible and accessible to staff and visitor. So for building with multiple floor, consider placing fire blanket in corridor and near stairways for quick access during evacuation, so that you have the option to walk away and contact the fire and rescue service. Okay, so now the topics which we have covered here. First, we have discussed in detail about what is fire blanket. Then I have shown you on what fire can we use fire blanket. Then we have discussed how to use fire blanket, and then I have shown you the placement of fire blanket. Okay, so this is all about the fire blanket. Hope all of you enjoy the session. See you in next one.